Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the blizzard. The pre-Christmas blizzard 2022. I don't know what they'll call it, but I had to be a man and actually come out here and do some recording. Now I will say, it is beautiful for sure. We'll just take this quietness in for a minute. But yeah, boy oh boy is it cold. I think -7 is what we saw. Of course, it's all in Fahrenheit. But yeah, so this is Friday, December 23rd, 2022. Yesterday was 45 degrees, and I think it's like -5, -6 or 7. I don't know. It doesn't matter. A couple of things I wanted to note here as we look at my sable miner there, needle, and another sable miner, all protected up. And so -6 is the coldest temperature we've seen since February 2015. So 7 years. It hasn't been this cold in 7 years, so that's pretty significant. It actually was blizzard. It was officially coded a blizzard by the National Weather Service. Blizzards, I guess, it's actually not temperature. It's three things. It's visibility, obviously low visibility. It's blowing or falling snow, and it's gosh, what was the other one? Oh, wind speed for 3 consecutive hours. I don't know what exactly the metrics are, but it hit those things. It is the first blizzard here in Cincinnati since January of 1978. And many locals know the famed blizzard of 78. It was record snowfall here in Cincinnati and record low temperatures, like -24 or something ridiculous. And the Ohio River froze over, the only time in the modern era that's ever happened. So this is quite a storm to be matched up against that. Some other things of note. This is set a record for this date as the lowest high temperature ever on this date. So daytime highs today are like -3 or something like that, -6, whatever it is. That is the coldest high temperature we've ever had on this date. The previous low was 15. The previous highest low was 15, so crush that. First time we've been below 0 here in Cincinnati since February of 2019. So 3 winters. It's been 3 winters that we have not seen below 0 temperatures, which is pretty amazing. So another first. Another record, and boy, my hands are freezing. Fastest drop in temperature ever. So it dropped 36 degrees in just 6 hours last night, from about 10 p.m. starting out at 10. Dropped 36 degrees in 6 hours. That set a record here in Cincinnati. And I didn't look at this exactly. All these other ones are factual. This one is more anecdotal. But we got about 4 inches of snow, and it's been a couple winters since we've had that much snowfall in one fell swoop, in one event. So very cold, very snowy, very windy, and the blizzard is real, and this is pretty miserable. So hang in there, everybody. 60s next weekend.